small light breakfast. It's actually quite a nutritionally complete breakfast. If you think about it, it's got vegetables, which is green ship. It's got carrots. It's got protein, and the sauce is red, so that's definitely healthy. And of course we have these as well. Can you see that? Yeah. Little salads, little salads. And looks glorious. Looks so glorious. But it's still quite hot, so I have to let it cool down and let it stop sizzling. And I'm stirring it around to try and mix the caramelized sauce. No, they didn't instruct us to do this. This is just me having a go see. Excellent. So, at first I thought maybe it wasn't enough for 2 people, but it is.
Maybe just a bit.
Maybe just a bit.
So this morning we had Sun Nong Dan.
Yeah.
And we had the galbi jim, which was like a massive dish of beef rib, beef short rib,
Potatoes,
rice cakes, and
vegetables
with a spicy sauce.
So we ordered mild because we didn't want too hot, but even mild was pretty spicy and hot. Yeah. But it was a good level of heat. It wasn't you could taste the flavor, so it was just a mild heat, but it was still pretty hot, considering it was mild. But the dish was just absolutely spectacular. We ordered no cheese on it because we weren't sure how cheese would really taste on a Korean dish,
And we didn't know what kind of cheese they would use either. But yeah, no, it was really good. I mean, it's a bit. We had it at 9 a.m, so it's a bit of a weird thing to eat at 9 a.m. But last time we came here the other night when we actually went to Korean barbecue, but it was the line was crazy, and so we just decided and they open 24 hours, so we decided to come at a random time. But the food was worth having at this time of the morning, in my opinion.
Yeah, it was. And the beef ribs weren't cooked to the point where it was super soft, like the tendons and the cartilage was still very, had a good bite to it, and I like that. You don't want it to be a mush in your mouth. And you could pick up the bones and still have to fight for a little bit of meat, which is quite good. It's not just like it comes off the bone and that's it. I like that. So that's quite good.
Yeah, so that was our breakfast, and we have so much leftovers, so we'll be having that for dinner as well, we think.
Yeah.
So that was our.
And now we're off to a boutique coffee place for work called Starbucks. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to find a Starbucks. We need it. Okay. See you later. Okay, so before I left New Zealand, I decided that I wanted to try and make this because this seems just so weird. I mean, cinnamon roll in a can.
Okay, let me try.
It's literally like exploded out of the can.
Shall I try? There you go, I think you got it. Oh shit! It exploded. That's awesome. Okay, I think you can open it anymore. Just careful not to cut yourself, alright?
Ah, you don't need a can opener.
What?
I'm so stupid.
What? What happened?
You can just take it off.
Oh,
it's like a lid.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I'm kind of scared because I did this wrong. There you go. It's so bizarre. I'm sure if any American sees what I'm doing, they'll be like, what the hell are you doing? I don't understand how this works. Fancy baking. I probably shouldn't open that one today. It says this with respect. Actually better than what I expected, but there's a kind of strange aftertaste. I'm not sure what it is. I don't like it, but I like cinnamon. It's good. It's good. Try it. Hi everyone. So today we had a really good day. We started off with breakfast. We went to this Korean place which we showed you, and afterwards we wanted to go to Starbucks to do some work, but we were both feeling extremely tired. We didn't sleep very well and I had a massive headache all day, so we came home, had a nap and then worked, and then after that we went to the Hollywood Walk of Fame just to check that out. To be honest, it was a little bit underwhelming, but still kind of cool to see, and it's pretty much what I expected it to be. I guess I just thought that there might be something else to look at as well there. And then we came home. We actually had a lot of leftover Korean from breakfast this morning, so we just decided to have that for dinner, just because it was just a lot of food and we didn't want to waste it. And then yeah, and that's pretty much it. So we're probably going to go to bed early today. I still have a bit of a headache, so hoping that it would go away soon. But other than that, yeah, so that's the end of day 3. See you later.